everyone and welcome. Today we're making this delicious Mexican treat, hot arroz con leche. This is my version, so let's get started. For the ingredients, you need 1 cup of rice, 2 cans of evaporated milk, 1 liter of regular milk, about half a liter of water. For sweetener, I'm not using sugar, I'm using 1 can of condensed milk. And to add more flavor and aroma to the rice, we're using 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cinnamon sticks, and a little bit of orange peel. The first step is to pre-cook the rice, and this is going to be like a small process for like 10 minutes because this won't absorb that much milk whenever you're cooking everything together. So I'm going to cook it with the cinnamon and a little bit of water, not the whole water yet. I will eventually use all the water when I combine the rest of the ingredients. I'm starting by adding the cup of rice in a medium-sized pot. I'm adding a little bit of the water just to cover the rice completely in the pot. We're gonna pre-cook it. I'm not putting the whole water. I would say about half of the water. We will use the rest later. And we're gonna crush in our cinnamon. Just a little bit. And we're gonna turn on the heat to low medium. Cook it for about 10 minutes or so until it starts to semi-cook. So as you can see, the water has already gotten soaked in the rice and it's changing color already as it's a little bit bigger. So it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. It's been like 10 minutes only. It's time to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding the evaporated milk. I'm adding the liter of regular milk. The rest of the water, the teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the condensed milk. Last but not least, don't forget some orange peel to give it more aroma and flavor. Mix everything. You're gonna keep it at low heat. I'll cover it and I'll be mixing it often, so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. And make sure you cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. So the rice, it's been boiling. It started boiling. It took a little bit because I have it on low heat. You don't want to have it on high heat because it can like burn or the rice can get stuck on the bottom. Don't forget to stir it occasionally or frequently to make sure that it doesn't stick or burn. So I have it on low heat. It's boiling. Do you see the texture is already cooking? It smells delicious. Make sure that after this, it should take around 15 to 20 minutes after it starts boiling. It takes a while to boil because it's on low heat, but once it boils, it should not take too long to cook because the rice was pre-cooked already in the water. The arroz con leche is ready. As you can see, this one is a little bit more on the runny side because this type of arroz con leche, there's so many different types of arroz con leche. This is my version, and this one is eaten hot, is not the rice pudding version. So this one is kind of like almost like a drink if you think about it, because you serve it in a mug. And some people like it more thick. For my preference, I prefer more runny because eventually after you keep boiling it, it's gonna keep on thickening up and it's gonna keep on turning more thick and less liquid. So for me, it's fine. It's ready to go. The rice is completely cooked. All the flavors are mixed in. You can always get rid of the big chunks of cinnamon. For me, I don't mind it because, well, it's what gave it the flavor and the aroma. We're ready to serve. The arroz con leche is done. Time for my favorite part, which is trying it out. This is a great dessert for cold, chilly weather, and it's so comforting and I just love it. Let's see how it came out. That is yummy. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you next time. Desserts in. Hello and